Howdy fellow maker and crafter peeps. In today's video we're going to try another laser. This little guy is the Artilume U1, and this was sent to me to try out because it's a budget friendly laser that supports LightBurn and everything else just like the big ones do. But this little guy is pre-built and everything, and we're going to try it out and see exactly what it can do and just how powerful this little 7-watt laser is. And we're going to start right now. So, alright guys and girls, let's go ahead and unbox this. This is the Artilume U1 laser, and it is supposedly an all-in-one or just a super portable, budget-friendly laser. And today we're going to see exactly what's in here and see how it works. And there we go. That is a beautiful little laser. Look at that. Look, it even has limit switches. Where are these limit switches? Oh, I see. Limit switches is right there. I didn't think we'd have limit switches in a laser this affordable. Look at that little guy. That little guy's awesome. So now we're just going to go ahead and hook him up to get it. There we go. There we go. And my assumption is that this little guy right here plugs right on in here. And indeed it does. That is the easiest setup of any laser I think I have ever had. To my knowledge, it does. I don't know if it comes with a USB. We'll look in here and see if it comes with a USB cable. Hot dog. It even comes with a USB cable. Let's freaking go. So for tools, we have a brush to clean the laser. We have this little guy to clean the laser. Allen wrenches. And some pieces to laser focus paper. Interesting. Okay. So yeah, we're going to clean up and get this hooked up. I do not see the card. I don't see a memory card. Unless the memory card's already in here, I bet. Yeah, perfect. Okay. So it's possible that the drivers might already be on here. We're going to set that aside for right now, because that very well may be possible that the drivers are on this guy. But nonetheless, this is a nice quality unit. Like, I don't know if you see it, but like this is a substantial. This is plastic on the front, but like these are aluminum. Everything else is aluminum. All your members that matter are aluminum. This is a very nice. Given the price, this is unbeatable. Like factory assembled and everything. I'm not gonna lie, I'm super excited to try this thing. Let me get all this mess cleaned up and we'll hook it up and see what we got. Sorry guys and girls, we're gonna hook this up. We have the USB cable. We obviously have a cleaning brush. We have another cleaning brush. We have some Allen wrenches, some regular wrenches. Just a regular wrench there. We got all of that. We got the power supply, which is already plugged up right here. Simple little barrel jack. Nothing special there. We also do have some glasses that we'll be using. So yeah, let's go ahead and hook it up and get it. We've already programmed it in LightBurn, so that should be super duper easy. So according to that, should be good to go. Let's go ahead and hook him up. Hook up the USB cable. You can hear the computer getting a little upset because I'm unhooking all that. So in theory, it's a USB, just regular printer cable, and we can just hook him on up, turn the power on, And we got it. Now, it does come with this little guy, and it has all the LightBurn software and everything else on it, so you'll definitely want to use that. And I'll go ahead and we'll go ahead and show you how to install that right now.
Well, I was going to show the install, but somehow I didn't get it recorded. Nonetheless, just follow the instructions in the manual and it'll work like a champ. Basically, you scan a QR code that takes you to a YouTube video that makes it incredibly simple. Basically, you're just installing drivers and then you import the laser into LightBurn. Piece of cake.
It comes with some pieces, so we're going to try one of my favorite things to engrave, which is 3mm basswood. Go ahead and put them down. And now to do this, you just there's a little side right here. You just flip them down, and that gives you exactly what you need. And then you just use this. That gets them right down on there. And then you can just tighten it back up. And just flip this piece back up. And you got them dialed. So we'll go ahead and rehome you. We're just hitting the home button on the on that. Now let's find us a photo to put, and we'll show you exactly what we're doing. So, alright guys, this is what we got. We used, we're going to do this eye right here. We're just going to put it, it's probably going to be like right off in here. And what we're going to do, we're going to adjust image. And you'll see that we're using Jarvis. Played with the contrast a little bit. That should be really good. So we're going to try that. So we're going to go ahead and put them up there, and we're going to go ahead and carve with this thing. We're going to see exactly how good it is. And we already have it focused, so not a problem at all. So we're going to go frame. That sure looks good. We're going to move it down just a little bit. And we're going to hit start. And we're doing 6,000 at, I believe 6,000 at 80%. So it may be a little dark. We'll see. Wow. Oh my. Look at that. That is spectacular. For a laser of this budget? Wow. Like I could even brighten it a little bit more and it'd still look even better. That is a good engraving on wood from a laser of this price. Holy cow. Alright guys, I had to double check and see exactly to make sure I wasn't wrong before I said it. But this kind of engraving out of a sub $200 laser, that's good. That only took a couple minutes. This is the 7-watt version of a laser. That is fantastic. Like, look at that. That looks freaking great. I can't tell you how thrilled I am with this little laser. That's absolutely crazy that it's that good. That for a sub $200 laser, that's amazing. Next up, let's see if it'll actually cut through 3mm plywood, which is going to be a challenge for this little guy. Alright, we're going to show you in LightBurn exactly what we're doing. We're drawing a circle for speed and power and everything. We are going to put it at 100%, and the manual says 250. Which that's usually about what I run my bigger laser at, my 20-watt. So I'd be shocked if it actually got through it. But we're sure gonna let it eat. Line mode, we're doing one pass, and we're gonna see if we can get through it, and we're starting right now. Since we got it jacked up, you can see the laser underneath, which is really cool. It's getting through it. Oh my gosh, it's gonna just fall out. Pop. Holy cow. That's incredible. Cut smooth through, like zero problems, right through there. At 250, it absolutely cuts through it, no problem. Wow. And we're going to put on our glasses, so. But you can see just how powerful this laser is. That's insane. And in just a few seconds, one pass, you saw it, pops it right on out. That is amazing. So, alright, guys and girls, what do I think about the Artilume laser? I think it checks all the boxes for someone that is looking for an entry level sub $200 laser. I don't think there's anything any better. It has all the Z stops, some safety features. It cuts, it engraves, it does a little bit of everything. It has a little spot for air assist. I mean, you just don't see that in a sub $200 laser. It does a darn good job both cutting and engraving. I mean, yes, it's a smaller form factor laser, but at that price point, I don't think you care. I think it'll do everything you want to do. Like I said, if you're looking for a sub $200 laser, I don't know if you can beat this Artilume. This Artilume is insanely good. You saw it based on how it cut, how it engraved, all that. It's a killer. But yeah, as always, we'll have links in the description where you can find this little guy. It's fantastic. Shout out to Artilume for sending me one to try out. I wasn't a believer when I saw it, but the performance speaks otherwise. Like it's a fantastic little laser. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a big old thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more laser, sublimation, and just maker content. And peace, guys. Love y'all.